Hey guys, ignore this if you know how to make copies of your own things in Google Classroom or in Google Docs in general. But quite a few of you said, I don't know what to do with those things you just sent me, Betty. Those exit tickets are awesome, but I want my own copies. Because if you go right in and use these, all my kids' responses will be mixed with all your kids' responses and everybody else's. So you need to make your own copy. You'll go in and let's say I want to do Monday check-in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Monday check-in. Just takes a second to load. Might take longer than a second today. There we go. And here we are. We're in my Monday check-in. The kids each will get their own copy of this and just fill it in. So you'll go up to this little 3-dot bar up here. And you click on that and you do what's called make a copy. Okay. And this is for this Monday. I'm going to leave copy here so I remember this isn't my one for tomorrow, 2 days from now. And you'll name it September 14th. I'm leaving copy there for me to remember that it's not my one I'm going to use. And then you want to decide what folder. So you'll click here. I put everything in my folder called Digital Learning 2.0. Now, if you share everything in that folder with other people, then you might want to click here. But because this is just for your class, I wouldn't click that. And then you're going to say, okay. Okay. Now it's your copy. So maybe you don't like my super name and you just want it to say name and you want to edit that. So you would just go in and click on this and just say my name is, because you don't like super name. You think that's kind of corny. You have older kids, and they think saying the word cool is not cool. So you might want to change that. Or maybe because Sandra is doing their feelings this week, you want it to look exactly like hers. So change my Lego ones to look exactly like Sandra's that she did this week. And then anything else you want to change. Over here are the things that can add more, change more. You hover over it for a minute, add a question. So if I want to add more, I add a question. Hover over it for a minute, important question. Import a question from somewhere else. Here's for typing, adding images, adding videos. You can add videos to this that they have to watch. I mean, if you want their homework to be exit ticket to be, they have to watch Sandra's video and then they do this, you click her morning message to this. I mean, maybe some people want to do it that way. That's fine. Okay. So now for those of you that aren't sure how to get this into Google Classroom, stay. The rest of you that know how to do that, goodbye. Thanks for listening. So to get this in Google Classroom, what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and open your Google Classroom. Right, here's mine. Okay. And you are going to come to classwork. And just like everything, I'm putting mine under what I call this week's lessons, but you're going to create an assignment and you're just going to add it right here, the thing you just saved. And you should have saved it in the Google Drive because when it's a Google Doc like this, that's where it needs to go. And you are going to, here's my copy of September 14th right there. So I'm going to click on that and say insert. Then I might say, please fill this exit ticket out. Okay, and then maybe title Monday, September 14th, exit ticket. Over here, you want it to go to all your students. That's not a special one. I'm not going to grade these. I'm making the due date Monday because I want them to fill it out Monday. So I'm changing that due date. And then on a sign, I am making these all ahead. They're all ready to go, but I don't want them to come up till that morning. So I'm going up to this little triangle up here and clicking it. And it says September 14th at 8 a.m. is when it will show up on their feed. So they're not going to get inundated with all my whole weeks on Monday. They're just going to get Mondays. And then you hit schedule. I'm not going to do that because I already did this. And I don't want some more on there. So that's it. That's all you do. Good luck. Let me know if you need any more help.